So here's how to use Wix booking system. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix website. Once you are successfully logged into your Wix website, now here you have to simply go to the left menu. Then here at this interface you have to simply scroll down and go to the apps option and then click on the app market. Now in the app market, search for the Wix booking. Here click on the Wix bookings to install this plugin onto your site. After that, click on the add to site option here. Now wait for the time until it's being installed, then click on the go to editor option. Then here at this interface you will be able to view the option to add appointments and add services, or you can also add your calendar to schedule your meetings. So that's how to use Wix bookings.